Homemade pizza is always special. Let's make it in the new Philips OneChef. Press the power button, select Airfry mode followed by Pizza Preset and preheat it for 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Take the pizza base, spread the pizza sauce evenly, add a layer of pizza cheese blend, add toppings of green capsicum, red bell pepper, baby corn, broccoli, mushrooms and onion. Sprinkle oregano and chili flakes. Now add a final layer of pizza cheese blend. Place the pizza base inside the Philips OneChef and set the timer to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Press start and cook until the cheese melts and turns golden. And done! Transfer the pizza to a serving platter. Garnish with cherry tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, a drizzle of olive oil, chili flakes, and don't forget the oregano. Slice it and serve hot. हर slice में थोड़ा सा comfort, थोड़ा सा indulgence. Indulge in your cravings with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.